seems to be growing well.
I can replant the melons too. But we don't want melons all day, do we? Do we? Corn? What do you mean, corn? This is corny. More melon. What's with the different sizes? Potato. And more melon. Good enough. Done. Come on. Okay. Just shift you over here.
This place is starting to feel like home. Now that we can grow our own food, I think we can really make a go with this.
Yeah.
Trouble is, the more we establish ourselves here, the more of a target we become. What we need is to get some defenses set up. Then maybe Preston will be able to relax a little bit.
Okay.
I'm on it.
Ah, thanks. It'll make everyone feel more secure here.
Let's build some lasers. Some turrets. Okay. Just getting rid of stuff around the sides here. Tried to recycle it. Okay. Circuitry. Ooh, gear. And they got two. Where do I get more gears from?
Sturgis.
Thanks for doing that. We'll all sleep better at night knowing we have some defenses set up. It's been a long road. But yeah, I think this is it. Home. Feels good.
Okay.
I was glad to help.
Well, I appreciate it. Of course, you know you're welcome anytime. My door's always open to you. Windows, too. Some of the walls, actually, come to think of it. I guess I better get back to it. Take care now.
Sanctuary.
Well, you live in a house called Rosa. I, on the other hand... That'll do. I'm going to kick some butt. Going to Lexington. Ooh. Those things look fugly. Damn, girl. You gone ugly.